Hello everyone, I am Anushi Kothari, an anchor and a public speaking trainer. I've completed my BA in English Literature from Poddar International College and later my PGDM from Poddar Business School. And honestly, this college has helped me shape my career as well as confidence. Being a president of Alumni Relation Club and Vice President of International Relation Club gave me an early leadership exposure that has stayed with me throughout my professional journey. The college's strong focus on experiential learning, along with Global Immersion Program and IIM Immersion Program, gave me a great exposure of culture, ideas, and learning. The guidance from our training and placement cell helped me build a strong foundation, and today, as an anchor and public speaking trainer, I still rely on the confidence and communication skills I've learned from here. Coming back to my second home for the Alumni Meet feels truly special. It's wonderful to reconnect with friends, faculty, and mentors who were instrumental in shaping my journey. Thank you, Poddar Business School, for being such an important part in my life.
Poddar Group of Institutions